Say hello. What are we doing today? Oh. Okay, and? Oh, what else? Sounds good. Boom. See all that? It just shows you how forgotten my car was. My dirty car. So I removed everything. This is the piece that's gonna be replaced with this. You just gotta take these off and then it should be good. So I just pulled out the whole piece. Obviously I already had a leakage, but right now all the remaining is falling out. This is the old one. It's just gross, ugly, worn out. It was just drenched. We got the new babies ready to go in. We'll see how that goes. Alright, this installed right here. I already plugged back in the fans. Just tightening all the bolts right now by hand just to make sure everything's aligned. I also installed right here. Get rid of this baby because I don't need it. Yeah, everything, it's a little hard to see, but everything's starting to look easy peasy lemon squeezy. The oil's already in. Now I have to turn on my car, make sure the heater is on high, and we'll see. Check engine light is still on, which is normal. Heater's on, blowing. The bubbles are going to be coming up. I now have my car on and working. It's been so long since I've been in here, so I'm gonna take her out for a little run. I'm also gonna clean her. I already got cleaned, that's why my hair looks all poofy. Zaza needs some love, so we're gonna take her to the car wash and do a nice clean inside and outside. I gotta take her on a little drive, that way she runs good and kind of stretches out her little muscles. I'm driving Zaza and my check engine light went off. So far so good. I'm here at Michael's. I just went through dumb days. I ordered some mason jars, like with the little like lids on them and like metal straws, and this is the second time I'm returning them because they keep coming back broken. So at this point I'm going to Michael's to just buy my own cup. Update on the car, so far so good. See how it's gently over the middle? My last radiator never did that, but it hasn't moved since it's been at that position. This is so far how it's going, and the car seems great.